Yesterday, the guys working on the Reboot said that my quart hatch has a leak. I've got two things that I want to try on it. The other hatch leaked and I used silicone. I have suguru. So I'm going to try some suguru, and we are going to very carefully go downstairs because there's no floor. And hatches are notorious for leaking. Yeah, I can feel where the gasket's wet right there. See that split right there? I think that's what's causing the problem. I think I'm going to try the suguru first. It's a polymer that it's flexible and then it hardens it. Okay, first I'm going to dry it off and I'm going to put the suguru in. Let's see how that works. Somebody else tried to patch it right off.